What it do, everyone? Welcome back to the Modern Past. Today we're going to be having a look at this pocket knife by Leatherman, the Skeletool KBx. It's 420 HC stainless steel blade, has an anodized aluminum coating and also a DLC coating. I believe the color of the anodized aluminum they went with is called denim. Yes, so just like the jacket, so let's have a look here. I went with this one because it has kind of a low-key color. I feel like if you were to bust it out somewhere to help open a box, you wouldn't draw too many eyes, as of to just a stainless steel blade or the apple green one they have. It's a really bright color, the other one. Especially living here in Ireland, where you can't really carry too many things like this. But yeah, it's a great blade. It has a really slim profile, as you can see. I can open it with one hand, but it was a bit difficult if I'm honest. I have small hands as well, so not sure if it'd get even harder or easier if you had bigger hands. But yeah, I really like the look of this thing. Not sure if anyone remembers the anodized aluminum blades Husky tools used to take out in the early 2000s, but it really reminds me of those. You could keep it in some high tops, but not some boots, maybe some Converse or some PF Flyers, but definitely would not recommend the boots. It wouldn't be comfortable. And yeah, this thing will come in at around €50, 50 bucks, depending on where you're at, but do make sure you keep an eye on the Leatherman site. Sometimes they do take their things down to 60% off. I believe it's called the Skeletool knife because as you can see here, it looks like it's been directly taken off of the Skeletool itself. So if you really like the blade on the Skeletool, then there you go. Like, it's just the blade on its own if you're just trying to keep a small little pocket knife on you. I really love this thing. It's been one of my favorite pocket knives I've had in years, really, compared to the Opinel or the small Moore knives. I think this one really takes the cake. As you can see, kind of the same straight/serrated blade. Literally looks like it just came off the Skeletool. One of my favorite blades here. I think Leatherman did a great job here. Nice, sleek little looking knife. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed this one. Hope to see you all the next time. If you have any recommendations of what you want to see reviewed, let me know down below. And until next time, take care of yourselves, everyone.